Okay, so guys, today I'm gonna be riding my bike and it's raining, like little droplets. This is God. He in the car and I was about to get ran over by the beautiful rainbow. The best day. Anyways, we're riding our bikes. Red. What? Anyways, did you want to do the thing that we did? What thing? Yeah. Like, ooh, what's that random house? Want to do that? Want to do that? Okay. There's gonna be a couple parts. Get out of my way. Gotta go this way. So just gonna. Also, it's gonna be chilling. I'm also doing this with I'm only riding my bike with one hand right now. Oh my god. No, what the heck? Oh yeah. Anyways, so what? And it stopped raining. Yo, I'm gonna check the weather. I'm gonna show you guys. Hold on. So it's technically like that, y'all. It's gonna be raining at like night or so because like look at this. And I'm literally just riding my bike while I'm doing this. Yeah, but there's gonna be a couple parts of this. Okay, so hold up. Come to part 2. Bye.